What's good, Che Posse? Today we are going to be trying the Indian Healing Clay Mask. If you are new to my channel right now, stop, hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Did you do it yet? You did? Good job. All right, cool. We can go ahead with the video now. All right, Che Posse, you guys already know it's about to be another premiere. So today I want to focus on a few things since I've heard this mask is supposed to work wonders and supposedly it's like it works overnight. Let me just show you guys a few of the acne blemishes that I kind of want to change, or I hope to kind of see an effect on once I'm done using this mask. So we have a risen pimple here, ooh, there. According to the instructions here, you're supposed to mix the clay with equal parts of raw apple cider vinegar. So I use the Bragg's organic raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother in it. Now this all right, Posse, so the directions for this mask says to use a non-metal bowl and utensil, which is the reason why I am using a paper bowl, a plastic measuring cup, as well as a plastic fork and a plastic spoon to apply. It does say here that add more clay or liquid as needed. Apply 1/8 to 1/4 inch to the face or other area. Let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes for delicate skin. For normal skin, 15 to 20 minutes. You will feel a pulling and tightening sensation. Feel your face pulsate is what it says. Remove clay by washing with warm water. Slight redness of the skin is normal and will disappear in about 30 minutes. Removes impurities and dirt from the pores. Deep pore cleansing. So I will be back and, ooh, don't I look cute? Look like the mask. Smoking. I'll be back in 20 minutes. All right, so I am back. It has been 20 minutes. As you can see, there are so many oils pulling out of my skin. I mean, it was just a massacre of oil. Do you see this? I mean, this mask was basically saying, yo, Che, just to be frank, your skin is jacked up. Your skin is jacked up. So I'm grateful for this mask. We're going to see the result after I rinse this off. All right, you guys, so the mask is off, and I must say that my face is definitely red, but it said this will go away after about 30 minutes or so, as it is advertised on the back of the container. So first of all, I want to say that I do give this mask a thumbs up. I do not think that there's too much wrong with it. Like I said, I do still feel like an itchy, tingly sensation in the lower area of my face. What I would suggest is that if that probably happens for you guys, maybe instead of using the apple cider vinegar, use water. Maybe our skin may just be too sensitive to mix something as strong as apple cider vinegar with this mask, which must be the world's most powerful mask. But yeah, so as you guys can see right now, I still have the pimples that are there, but they're actually so much smaller. And understand this is only after one use, and this is only after 20 minutes. So for that much time, I mean, invested in this, I think it was amazing. I would definitely want to keep trying this. 200 likes, and I will try a mask on my face using something that you all recommend or suggest. All right, you guys, that's it for this video. Have a great day. Ha, cha, cha, cha.